Welcome to the March edition of Topcoder Monthly. February was a short month, but saw a lot of action. Let's review, shall we? For those of you who may have missed it, last week we held our second Topcoder Team live show, where I had hosted 3 guys from the product development team. They are the ones that are the guiding forces behind the evolution of the Topcoder site. A lot of you who had tuned in asked great questions, and the development team loved answering them. We learned a lot of eye-opening facts, including a statement that mentioned not only are their tasks purely focused on what our members encounter every day, but they are also working on bettering the platform for the customers. By creating an easier and more efficient way to have the customers launch their challenges, the more opportunity there will be for work to be accomplished by the members. There were a lot of great tidbits like that on the show, and if you'd like to check it out in its entirety, just click here. We'll be kicking off development on a John Hancock-sponsored project to build a mobile app using Ionic Framework. This app will call a set of services and display help desk information, such as FAQs, how-to videos, audio, and other help documentation. They will be wanting to do builds for both iOS and Android. Running alongside the mobile app development will be an AngularJS admin console web app and some .NET RESTful service development work. Look for this effort to kick off very soon with an architecture challenge, followed by assemblies and code challenges. The project is called Signature Sim, so look for that in challenge titles. In other exciting dev news, we are launching a new program called Blitz. Seriously, I just heard of this today. This is breaking news. Blitz will be a series of challenges from one customer over a period of time. Cool thing about this is that as you are winning these challenges, you will have the opportunity to win a significant amount of money at the end of the period if you are on top of the leaderboard. These challenges are not only development challenges, but UI as well. We welcome IBM aboard to be our first Blitz, and you can find these challenges by looking for the tag IBM Castle in the challenge title. Be on the lookout for a complete program page, including leaderboard and all, in the coming weeks. Actually, now that I think about it, the final stage for TCO16 started on March 1st and ends on May 31st. So this could be a great opportunity to get those last-minute points and earn your way to the finals. On March 1st, we published a new code of conduct for the forums. This code helps clarify our community values and the do's and don'ts to help everyone have great conversations on our forums. Head over to the general forums to read it. For our designers, here's an exclusive piece of news for you. As part of a South by Southwest workshop, we will be running a Lux Challenge. This promises to be a... That's a first. I'm excited to announce to our algorithm members that we have a couple incredible marathon matches coming up in collaboration with Harvard University. The first match is focused on precision medicine. Precision medicine is a practice of tailoring medical treatment such as decisions, drugs, therapies to an individual or a subgroup of people. The first challenge in the series will be to find an algorithm that aligns multiple DNA sequences to a reference DNA when there are only minor differences between the reference DNA and the DNA the sequences are originated from. Your task is to align the sequences fast, align them right, and test the alignment position for possible redundancies. This marathon match has a purse of $18,000. And if that doesn't get you pumped up, the second marathon match will be focused on creating an algorithm for atrocity prevention. Atrocities like genocide, mass rape, and ethnic cleansing unfortunately do occur in this world, and if there was a way to predict where and when these events happen, we would be able to send aid to these locations much sooner than it is happening now. Older members may remember competing in a similar challenge in 2013, and this challenge is building off of that. The 2013 marathon match saw a 62% improvement in algorithmic accuracy compared to the existing subjective baseline model, and now we're back to continuing pursuing that accuracy number. Now, we at Topcoder love running challenges that have the opportunity to change the world for the better. This is why we have created our Crowd for Good program. Crowd for Good brings the power of the crowd and not-for-profits together to use technology and data to solve complex problems and make the world a better place. If you win this atrocity prevention challenge, in addition to your prize money, you will earn a Crowd for Good badge and a Crowd for Good t-shirt. These matches will begin sometime in the middle of March. So remember to pre-register so you'll be updated with the latest times and dates. So there we are, a whole month of news in a few minutes. Be sure to subscribe to our channel if you haven't already, and follow us on Facebook and Twitter. Until next time, work hard, play hard, and I'll see you in the forums.